Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a snap from a story that you created on Snapchat. So click on the left upper left corner of your screen, the circle with your story in it, and then press my story, and you can just click on the three dots on the top right corner. And then you are just going to press delete over here. I think you can also do it here too. No, you have to do it by clicking the story and pressing the three dots and pressing delete snap, and it's going to ask you again, and just press delete. And that's it, super simple. But I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!